Hi, welcome to Pyrography Made Easy. I'm Brenda. It is time for you to send in your artwork to participate in the 2024 Viewer Art Video. This is my favorite video of the year because I enjoy seeing your artwork and how creative you are. Before I tell you where to send the photo, let me point out that this is not a competition. All skill levels are welcome. The viewer art video is nothing more than a celebration of pyrography artwork. There are a couple of guidelines. First, send one photo. I always get somebody who wants to send me a whole bunch of photos, and that's fine. I really enjoy looking at the artwork. What I don't enjoy is being asked to pick one of the artworks. I don't want to judge your artwork or get into why I might like a particular artwork over another. So if you send more than one photo, tell me which photo to use for the video. 2. Take your picture straight on. I want your artwork to look as best as it can. An artwork that's taken at an angle just doesn't show up as well in the video. I do have a video that gives a suggestion on how to get some good photo results, and I will put a link to that in the video description. Okay, for the particulars. I'm accepting submissions now until January 14th, 2025. Send your photo to PyrographyContest@gmail.com. Again, this is not a contest. Make sure to include how you want your name to appear in the video. The 2024 viewer art video will be available on January 21st, 2025. Well, send your photo in. I am really looking forward to seeing your artwork, and I will see you soon.